Every great chip begins its journey beneath the soil. Harvesting starts with precision machines built for efficiency. Earth is stripped away, revealing the raw ingredient. Only healthy potatoes continue forward. Harvested in bulk, ready for the next stage.
Speed matters to preserve freshness.
From farm soil to industrial supply chain. Stored briefly under controlled conditions. Now the journey to the factory begins. Careful loading protects quality before the long haul.
Every detail is checked before departure.
Fresh harvest heads straight to processing.
Time and temperature matter from this moment on. A synchronized supply chain keeps factories running. Movement is controlled to prevent damage. Processing begins where scale meets precision.
Raw ingredients reach their destination.
The factory prepares to take over. This is where agriculture meets industrial precision. Positioning must be exact before unloading begins. The factory awakens for its next batch. Raw potatoes enter the production stream. The journey transitions indoors. Conditions change to protect consistency. Human oversight ensures steady flow. Every path leads to preparation. Next comes the first step of refinement. Cleaning begins with force and control. Rinsing prepares them for inspection. Purity is built layer by layer. Unwanted elements are removed immediately. Human judgment refines what machines cannot. Nothing goes to waste. Consistency starts with size. The last wash before transformation. Now the real process begins. Peeling begins with controlled heat.
Steam separates skin from substance.
A precise release does the work in seconds. Nothing remains but clean potato. Byproducts are redirected efficiently. Quality is checked at every step. Shape defines the final chip. Thickness is measured in fractions. Now the slices prepare for cooking. Excess starch is washed away for perfect texture. Even spacing ensures even cooking. Moisture is removed in seconds. Heat transforms everything.
This is where crunch is born.
Time and temperature are precisely balanced.
Excess oil is carefully removed.
Cooling locks in texture.
Flavor comes next. Flavor is applied through controlled motion.
Every gram is measured.
Data guides consistency.
Machines correct in real time. Uniformity is the goal. Flavor locked. Flow continues. Automation prevents bottlenecks. Weight equals accuracy. The final refinements begin. Speed increases as precision tightens. Alignment ensures flawless inspection. Every chip is visually analyzed. Imperfection is removed instantly. Quality always comes first. Cooling perfects the crunch. Timing is synchronized end to end.
Flow is buffered, never stopped.
Now, the chips are tested. Quality is verified before approval. Random sampling ensures honesty. Human eyes confirm machine decisions.
Science guarantees consistency.
Crunch is measured, not guessed. Flavor must be evenly earned. Approval unlocks the final stage. Only the best moves forward. The journey nears completion. Packaging begins with careful handling.
Precision ensures every bag is perfect.
Seals and standards are never compromised.
Prepared for shipment, the chips are ready.
Automation stacks perfection efficiently.
Protection is added for the journey ahead.
Every batch waits under controlled conditions. And this is how modern factories produce Lay's potato chips from start to finish.
And this is how modern factories produce Lay's potato chips from start to finish.